What's up everyone, welcome back to another video on Git tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can fix the League of Legends is not opening on your PC and how we can fix this. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to run the right client, or the League of Legends client should be run as an administrator. So to do this, just go over here in the File Explorer and we have to go to this PC, go to local disk C. Now we need to go to the right games, go over here in the League of Legends, and what you need to do is we just need to scroll down over here and you can directly get into the folder over here. As you can see, there is an option called League Client over here, and right click on this and you have to go for run as an administrator, go for yes. This is what you have to do as the first one. So once you run this, as it is still, if you're having with the trouble, we can move to the next step. Next step is all about you have to go over here, search for the control panel here, and you have to click on the control panel. Now go to the system and security, go to Windows Defender Firewall, click on allow and upload feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and right now we need to scroll down and navigate to, we need to add the right client. So if the right client or the right client service is not here, we need to add it. So just click on the change setting, hello another app, go for the browse, it will be done. Go to this PC, go to local disk C, now go to the right games, go to right client, and you can see there is one thing called right client services. So you have to select this one, open, and we need to add it. So once it's already added, if it's already there, you'll be getting a message like this. So if the right client is already added, then what you need to do is we just need to go over here and you have to put a check on both the boxes over here. You have to put a check on both the boxes, private and public. So once it is added, just close this and we have to go back and you have to check. Still, if you're having the trouble, we just need to make sure the Windows is up to date and all those things. For these kind of games, the Windows should be up to date. So just go over here in the settings and make sure the Windows is up to date. So if you're having any kind of cumulative updates or KB updates and all those things, just download and install and make sure the Windows is running on the latest version. Next one is all about we need to update the graphics card. So just go over here in the task manager, right click over here, directly go to the task manager, not the task manager, I'm sorry, just go over here, right click and go over here into device manager, and right now you can go to display and adapters. Make sure the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 is here, right click on this, go to the update driver, go for search automatically for drivers and make sure the driver is there. And once you're done with this one, we just need to close this and we have to move to the next step. So last and the least step is all about, after trying all these things, still if you're having the trouble, just click on the League of Legends over here and you have to go to this PC, go to local disk C, now go to the right games, go to League of Legends, and as you can see we have two folders, one is config and another one is local. So select the config, right click over here and go to the trash icon, go for the locals, right click over here and the trash icon as well. So once both are removed, you have to go back to the right lane and you have to check. Most probably when you try to launch the game, the League of Legends will be working like a charm, and that's what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. See you soon, next video, bye.